Hello, bonjour. It is now 10 to 1 in the UK. This is your pre-New York update. Not a lot has changed from this morning. We got our long, we took out those highs, and then we reversed. And we reversed because of this bit of news that came out. It's what's making trading difficult at the moment. Is that it's a news-led environment. So, what do I think? Well, I'm not chasing this short to begin with. Okay, so if you got short from up here, congratulations, well done. I would be taking profits here because reality is that this could still be something like this, built off that, comes back inside that little channel there. So my best idea, I think, would be let this. If this is a short, then it'll break this low, and then it will come back in three, somewhere around the golden pocket. So let's assume that we come and take out this low here, and the golden pocket will be somewhere above the daily open and VWAP. Okay, so what you'd end up with is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're going to come back in 3. Maybe we come back and retest the bottom of this channel. Then you've got yourself a short. All right. So what I will do is I will just I'm going to move that here and make this. You probably go from there. Make that a possible short. However, because this is news driven, and all markets did the same thing, right? Oil went up. Obviously, USDT went up. Gold came down. NQ, S&P, everything dumped. So it wasn't a BTC thing, which kind of makes me feel that we're probably going to reverse back out of it. And I always, whenever we get these fast jump, they like to take it back at some point. So look, if you're short, then great, fantastic, manage it, right? Because you could definitely see us turn around. If you were long this morning from here, hopefully you took profit here, made yourself secure. Yeah, so that's it. So either we're going to find, if we don't take this low out on the open and we just start to grind back up, then I'm not going to short here. I'm not interested. I think this will then just come up to here, maybe to this, and maybe this is from now until the weekend. We get this, and then maybe we dump at the weekend. I don't know. So just be wary. This was inflicted by news, so there's a high probability it gets taken back somehow. I am still holding my longs. I wasn't short from up here, didn't get involved in that, wasn't even looking for a short, was looking for this just to come back, hit VWAP and come back into our first box. It didn't do that. So yeah, so let's wait and see what we will see. And just let the day play out. Let's just quickly have a look at the volume profile of this. Yeah, I mean, literally just come down to value area low. I mean, you haven't got very much here, so maybe it scoots down to here. 700. I don't know. Generally don't know. This wasn't a part of my plan. But we've just come down to value area low and we've stopped. So let's wait and see. Where will I be shorting if a short materializes? Well, I said it this morning, and I will be waiting for us to take this out here. That will invalidate any kind of 5-wave move up. And I'll be waiting for us to see one. So this would be 1, I want 2, and I want 3, and I want 4, and I want 5. I want to see 5 clear, distinct waves, and I'm looking for 3 back. And on that 3, then I go short. So we'll just see how this all plays out. And of course, what that will look like to anybody that doesn't understand or want to understand Elliott waves is it will just look like this. It will just look like a continuation of the range at the bottom here. So it looks like we are coming down now to maybe take out the low again before we start getting revved up for the New York Open. But yeah, it really is an either or at the moment. It really is. It's either this or it's this. I mean, to be honest with you, both end up going down. It's just whether you're short from here or you want to be short from here or you want to be short from here. So hypothetically, if you're low leverage short here and you've got a, you got a stop loss which is enormous, then you'll be okay. I wouldn't recommend it, but yeah. Alrighty. Well, listen, guys, that's it. I got a feeling we'll get nothing today and nothing tomorrow. I mean, it's been a really shitty week again. I mean, look where we literally have been in a 76, and we've got to it's a $2,000 range which is chopped all the time. This is why I am now trading most of my time on NQ and gold, and I'm really not trading very much BTC, anything crypto. It's the market is just dead on its arse, and until someone gets interested in it, you're just going to get these nothing zones, and then suddenly that or suddenly that. So if you have the ability to change, I would suggest you invest some time in understanding indices, understanding gold, having a look at oil, and peeling yourself away from the crypto world until major support or resistance zones appear. Because day trading this stuff is becoming harder and harder and harder and harder. All right, okie dokie. Well, have a very good afternoon, and I might be around about seeing what we get. See you later. Ta-ra, bye. Lots of love.